Where you going, Brayden?
I'm going to pick it from here just because
Oh, yeah.
there makes more room.
Make the space.
This looks like great.
I don't want to go there. Yeah, you think it's funny.
Is he laughing?
Mm-hmm.
Dan, turn around, he's right behind you.
Oh, boy.
Hi. Brayden, you smiling? Smile.
Leave the rest.
I eat all my dinner.
Can you do some?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want pretzels. I want pretzels. 2 pretzels.
2 pretzels.
Hey,
Wow.
I always start with one.
2 and 2.
You finish the first one, then you can have the second.
What?
Oh, Nana's got chocolate.
Look.
No, we already did that. This lasts very long. I don't know.
Huh.
What's it? Papa says he's going to take the peel out. Dan, how much longer for
I'm making a beer.
Did you get it?
Yep.
I got this.
Dan, how much longer for that sauce?
You can turn it off.
Good.
Not upset, Mom.
Well, I've been